Going back to different vehicles to consider once you do get your heavy vehicle license. A very popular one, lots of opportunities, is the excavation trucks, the new modern way of digging, it seems. You see one here on the left. Construction based again. From what I know, it's going to replace the old man and shovel method of digging. This is a new, clean, fast way of digging for gold, it seems. So vacuum excavation trucks.